Let's talk about the core web vitals. If you run an e-commerce site, content media, software business, or just about any other public website, you need to care a lot about the core web vitals and how they impact your PageRank. Wait, what are the core web vitals? The core web vitals are a set of measurements that Google uses to decide whether or not a website is fast. They measure how fast content is shown to the user, how much content moves around while it's being loaded, and how fast the site responds to user actions. The core web vitals are a great way to measure user experience on your website, but it's even more important than that. It influences your page rank. That's right, websites gain or lose ranking on search engines based on their core web vital scores. So it's vital that you keep yours fast. Unfortunately, the tools you get from Google to understand your core web vitals kind of suck. You have Google Search Console, which can take days or weeks to give you data, and only gives you a vague idea of what's wrong. Yo, something's slow over there. Or you have the Chrome User Experience Report, which only comes out every month and might not even include a breakdown of your pages. Or you have Google Lighthouse, which doesn't reflect the real user experience at all. You can't trust it. So here on day 2 of Request Metrics launch week, we're fixing that and launching real-time core web vital tracking. This is a game changer. Request Metrics gives you real-time information about your core web vitals as your real users experience them everywhere on your website. And we include the context about why something is slow, where to look, so that the data is actionable and you can actually fix problems. Have a look. This is the Request Metrics dashboard, and it highlights your core web vital scores as they are right now. We show a distribution of what every user experiences and where your 75th percentile falls. This is what Google uses to decide your PageRank score. We can quickly toggle between desktop or mobile views and apply any of our other filters to the charts. This site is showing a problem with its CLS, its cumulative layout shift. This core web vital measures how much a page shifts around, how much it moves while it's being loaded. So let's explore that. The CLS report has our trend line chart, showing how the score moves over time and what the overall score is for this period. We also have a full distribution showing the 75th percentile clearly in the danger zone. Let's dig in further and explore a page with a bad score. Like this blog post here, NVMRC. This page has a bad CLS for nearly everyone that visits it. But here we start understanding why. In addition to the score, we show you the elements that did the shifting and the state of the page when it happened. In this case, this div new main popular is what's shifting most often, and it's even still moving when the page is complete. We can dive into the individual page views from our site and see exactly what happened. Here we have a waterfall sequence of everything that was happening, all of the resources, measures, errors, and the core web vitals. We can see the largest layout shift happening, affecting that same element, div new main popular, and see the resources that were loading just before it happens. There's this really big CSS file up here, 160K, that finishes just before it. That's clearly the cause. The fonts changing the size of the page and pushing everything down. We can fix it in 3 ways. 1, by loading these fonts earlier. 2, by specifying the height of these elements so that the fonts don't push them around. Or 3, by using a default font that matches the height of our loading font better. Real-time core web vital tracking is amazing. Not only does it tell you exactly when you need to pay attention to your performance for PageRank, it tells you why something is slow and how to fix it. When you do fix it, you'll see your scores improve in real time. No waiting for the next time Google crawls your site. It's going to make your feedback cycles faster, save you tons of developer time, and boost your SEO, all in one package. Tomorrow, on day 3 of Request Metrics launch week, I have a surprise that's going to help make the web faster for everyone. To see it, make sure to like, subscribe, and get notified when we drop the next video. See you tomorrow.